Millions of people all over the globe are making money online, and if you feel left out, then make sure you keep watching, as today I will show you an absolutely free website that will allow you to earn $500 again and again in pure passive income. All you need to do is follow the steps in this video to be able to set this up properly before being able to enjoy your profits. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so let's get right into it. The very first website you guys will want to go over to is this one here called snappa.com. And what this platform is about, you can see right away. Create online graphics in a snap. You can basically come over to this absolutely free site and say you need some good Instagram post photo. You'd come on here and design it before uploading it onto Instagram. With that said though, this is not even close to what we will be doing with this site and why we want to use it. You'll see soon enough how this will be of help to us in making money online. For now though, what you will need to do is come over to snappa.com and then click on Get Started Free in the upper right corner here, and then enter in your name, email address, and password. Then click on I'm Not a Robot, and finally on Get Started Free once more so that you can create your account. Once you create and log into your brand new account, this is how everything will look. You will be able to see all of these graphics here, like social media posts, blogging, and infographics, and so on. And what graphics you will want to choose are either Instagram posts or Facebook posts. And as I said before, we will not be using Instagram nor Facebook in this video, so do keep that in mind. Either way, when you pick a template, you will be taken to this page where you will pick a template you'd like to design. And what you will now need to do is just leave Snappa be and head over to the next platform we will be using in this video before going back to Snappa later on. That platform is called yazing.com. This site is quite unique in that it is a place where you can earn cash back, but also money from promoting other offers, meaning that it's like an affiliate marketplace in that regard. Obviously, since we are here to make money, cashback is not what we're interested in. Anyways, as was the case with the previous platform, you will need to create an account before you can start promoting anything. To do so, just click on Join Now right here. On the next page, you'll have to enter in your username, email, and password so that you can create your account. Your next step from there is simply put to grab an affiliate link to literally any website you'd like to promote. Which website you pick doesn't matter for as long as it will pay you decently. You don't want to promote sites that only pay like 5% commissions or whatever, since that won't be profitable for you whatsoever. One particular site I came across on Yazing here that I would recommend you guys promote is BlockFi. As you can see, this site will pay you up to $500 per single referral. Obviously, that won't be the case most of the time, but the fact that you can make even near that amount of money is still crazy nonetheless. In any case, you don't have to go for BlockFi in particular, guys, but as I said, I do recommend doing so. When you find something you want to promote, be it BlockFi or some other platform, what you will need to do is just click on Promote to Earn right here so that you can grab the affiliate link. The next step here is optional, but what I would recommend you guys do is head over to BlockFi or whatever site you're promoting and simply go over all of its features and see what it's about. BlockFi here is a trading platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency, but also a place where you can make money from their great interest rate of 7.5%. This means that if you were to invest $10,000 into this site, you would get $750 of pure profit by the end of the year, which is actually quite great even though it may not seem like so at first glance. Anyhow, once you learn more about the site you are promoting, what you will need to do now is go back to Snappa and pick any one of these templates here. Which one you will go for will depend on what type of site you went for. Since BlockFi is a place where people can make money, I would want to go for some business type template in my case. Here's one template I opened up, and I designed it real quick so I don't prolong this video. How you will design your own template will once again depend on what site you choose to promote. Since I chose BlockFi, I went over to the homepage of this site and copy-pasted some of what I thought to be noteworthy info onto this design here, and I also added a photo of cryptocurrency next to it, since BlockFi is indeed a place where you can buy and sell crypto. Before we move on to the last site we will be using today in this strategy, there's one thing I want to mention that's quite important. Make sure you invest some time into creating the design. You want it to look as good as possible. Mine here isn't that special because I created it in just a couple minutes to use as an example. You want your design, guys, to be the best you can possibly make it, and you will see why that is so important in a second. The last site we will be using as part of this rather complex strategy is this one right here called adclerks.com. And this is a platform where you can find various websites who are offering to advertise you in exchange for money. That, of course, begs the question, how does this platform fit into this strategy? Well, here's how. As you know, we need traffic to our affiliate link we got from Yazing a while back. And AdClerks here is that very traffic source. But since we need some photo to give out to these sites with which they can advertise us, we needed to create a design with snappa.com as well. And so what you guys will now need to do is find some site that is in the same niche as the site you are promoting. So you will want to hover your mouse over categories here and pick any one of them. In my case, BlockFi is a trading website, and so I will need to look out for websites in the business niche. Once you pick your niche, you will then go ahead and pick a site that you will pay to advertise you so that you can get traffic to your affiliate link on complete autopilot and literally earn hundreds of dollars in passive income. And yes, I know that the fact that this is not a free strategy may bother some of you, but AdClerks more than makes up for that fact since some of the websites offer advertisement for extremely cheap. For example, this site here, it gets 1.4 million visits per month, but would advertise us on their front page for a mere $15, while we can earn literally up to $500 per single person referred to BlockFi, as you've just seen before. That's like an increase in profit of 3,000% from a single sale, which is hard to wrap your head around. In other words, the amount of money you can make is crazy high in comparison to the amount that you have to invest, which is why, even though this isn't a free strategy, I'm showing it to you nevertheless. Furthermore, the best part about this is that once you set this up on autopilot, once you pay some site to advertise you, your work is basically done, and you can just enjoy your profits from there. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.